Hey folks, Adam here, and today we're taking a second look at my REDTIGER F7NA. Now this is a powerful dash cam system that I've been using for over a month now, and I gotta tell you, this doesn't disappoint. So as Prime Day is approaching, it may be Prime Day right now, and don't forget that Prime Day runs from June 23rd to June 26th. The F7NA will be available on those days for $118.99 during those 4 days only. It's time to go pick it up. We're going to put all the information in the description below, but let's go ahead and start with an unbox. So folks, while you check out the unbox, let me tell you some facts and figures about the REDTIGER F7NA. It's 4K, it's got Sony Starvis 2, it's a front and rear dash cam system, and yes, this uses the latest in Sony chips to give you a beautiful 4K image that we'll show you here in the video. Now, this has native 4K 8 megapixel UHD video, and it connects with 5.8 gigahertz Wi-Fi 6 for up to 20 megabytes per second download speeds. That means that you can get the video straight to your device in a matter of seconds. There's no long delay or download delay at all. This has an intelligent touchscreen and voice control, so you can say things like, take a picture, and it will take a picture. Now this also has ADAS smart alerts for enhanced driving safety, and yes, it comes in at a price point that won't break the bank, and you're going to want to pay attention to those Prime Day deals. All right folks, so now let's look at some actual driving footage. You can see that with that 4K 8 megapixel beautiful image, they've just done a great job here to where you can see things, whether it's a license plate or maybe a house number. You can see everything in the playback. That's very important to me. I also love with that Sony Starvis 2, it gets great low light footage. So whether you're driving at night or just at dusk, you don't have to worry about the image quality. That's a huge selling point as well. Also, it's got that rear camera at 1080p, which means that you always know what's going on. Now, this device has collision detect. So as soon as there's a collision detected, it goes ahead and permanently saves that footage, which could become very important to you to use as evidence in a court case, to show to a police officer, or even to show to the other driver. That came in very handy to me. We had somebody back into my car when it was parked, and literally, once they saw that I had a dash cam in the front and rear, their story changed. They started off lying, they saw my cameras, and they realized they had to tell the truth. So this can be very, very important. Of course, folks, REDTIGER does a great job with a touchscreen that's easy to use. Compared to previous touchscreens and devices that I've used, sometimes it's hard to click on those tiny screens. They've given you a very big screen that you can go through the settings, you can change it up, you can turn up noises, all sorts of things, easy to adjust. I also love the fact that we can use voice control. I can say things like turn on screen or lock the video, and it will listen to me, which makes it intuitive and easy to use while driving. Now it has the lane departure warning, the forward collision warning, and the front vehicle moving notification. So if you're stopped at a red light, it will notify you when that other car starts moving. Got G sensor mode, time lapse mode, and of course that hardwire kit keeps your car safe when you are parked, which means that you're fully monitored and completely able to control and view what's going on around you. Now folks, the big point of this video is not to go over all the specs. It's to give you my personal experience. If you want the specs and details and everything this does, refer to my previous video. This is about my use for the last month. First and foremost, I gotta tell you, I love the fact that I have a sense of security knowing that my car is monitoring what's around me when I'm driving, when it's parked, and everything in between. Front and rear are covered. Second, I love the fact that this is a high quality sensor. This is legitimately, you've seen me review a lot of dash cams, but this is the one that I keep in my car to actually monitor what's going on, because I know with that Sony Starvis 2 sensor, it gets a great crystal clear image, that I'm not missing details, it works in day, it works in night, they've done a great job. I love the fact that this is by REDTIGER. REDTIGER is a company that I've come to love and trust. We saw them at CES last year. We had a great time meeting their engineers, their salespeople, and their staff, and I gotta say, the support has been fantastic. I've been reviewing REDTIGER many years. Never had a defect, never had a difficult install, never had a hard time with the app, never had an app go bad. So they've been fantastic, and I love them for that. Also, I love the fact that the quality is great from top to bottom, and everything is user-friendly. From the app to the on-screen, everything makes sense. It isn't translated from another language, it doesn't make sense. And you know what? They aren't just putting a 4K lens in there, but actually giving you low quality footage. They've done everything from top to bottom to make sure that this is recording, it's native, and it's good. Last but not least, my fifth piece in investigating this and using it for the last month, I gotta tell you that I absolutely love the fact that this thing has that G-Shock sensor, the fact that it's recording, saving, and it will verbally work. So again, I can say, take a picture, and it goes ahead and saves that picture. If we get into an accident, I know all of my information is saved. I can take out that SD card, I can put it in my laptop, or I can transfer it with that Wi-Fi 6 and get that information immediately. So with that being said, you know I love you and I appreciate you, but it's time to check out those Prime Day deals. We have all the information in the description below, and it's time for you to get to shopping. Thanks for watching. You know I love you, you know I appreciate you, but what are you waiting for? Go get one. Adios, amigos.